Welcome to the Creative Rack, the tool for almost every creative project. Whether it's for tabletop gaming, crafts, or simply displaying your artwork, the Creative Rack helps you fully utilize your creative potential. The modular design adapts to your needs. No more searching for paints and brushes. Instead, keep an overview and invest your time in the things you love. You don't adapt to your art, the art adapts to you and your workflow. So, design your setup with the innovative modules of the Creative Rack. Combine individual modules to optimize your workflow. Find the perfect place for tools and store materials you need for base design and terrain building. Each module has its own unique features, designed for you and your needs. And now find out what you want to do to take your passion to the next level and boost your creativity with the Creative Rack.